Start. The appellant, it appears, asked government on mere than one occasion to supply him with a copy of the report of the first inquiry officer in respect of charge 1. Stop. Government, however, declined to supply any copy. Stop. In December 1960, the criminal case, which had been started against the appellant in 1954, ended in discharge on the appellant Stoke. On 19th April 1961, the appellant was dismissed from service on the basis of a report of the second inquiry officer regarding charge 1. Stop. This order of dismissal was, however, quashed in March 1963 by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana. Stop. The appellant was thereafter reinstated and forthwith placed another order of suspension in May 1963. Stop. A third inquiry officer was appointed simultaneously for a fresh inquiry into charge 1 in February 1965. The appellant got a decree in a civil suit by which he was allowed to recover the balance of his pay and allowances for the period of suspension and for quashing the order of occasions. Stop. Between 1963 and 1964, the appellant made various attempts through what was apparently a high-powered board called the Establishment Board to bring about the closure of the inquiry proceedings initiated against him. Stop. Nothing happened until 15th December 1965 when once again government appointed a new inquiry officer to replace the earlier officer who had been appointed in February 1965. Stop. In January 1966, the appellant was reinstated as executive engineer, and in October the same year, the entire inquiry against the appellant was withdrawn. Stop. One would have thought that this would be the end of the unusually protracted proceedings against the appellant. Stop. On the contrary, however, on 26th October 1966, government served a fresh show cause notice on the appellant by which the appellant was told that his explanation of 18th December 1956 in reply to the charges and allegations leveled against him had been found unsatisfactory by government and that government proposed to censure his conduct. Stop. Over.